everyone, I'm Monique Vasquez. I'm from Sparkle GMA Artist Center, and as all you know, we're here at Dr. Shemian kasi po, tinanggal na nila yung splint sa nose ko. And para rin po alam nyo, ang gumawa po ng nose ko is si Dr. Levi Lansangan. Ang pinagawa ko po is primary cartilage rhinoplasty, which is babawasan ng cartilage yung tenga ko para ilagay sa tip ng ilong ko. And as you can see, I am super satisfied with the result. Mas tumangos and mas liliit yung nose ko. Hindi nyo pa po nakikita yung result ngayon, pero as Dr. Levi said, 3 weeks pa bago nyo makita yung result kasi it's from my body, so mas matagal talaga makita yung result. And it's just 1 week. And as you can see, wala po akong any pasa, mas mabilis nag-heal. And as you can see sa procedures na ginawa sa akin ni Doc, mas magaan yung kamay niya, wala akong na-feel na anything. And ang ginamit po nila sa nose ko during the procedure is local anesthesia. So the only thing na mafe-feel ko sa procedure is the anesthesia, and the rest wala na po. Thank you so much, Doc Levi. I'm very, very satisfied. Number 1, Dr. Shemian.